Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a folder in Google Drive. Also, if you want to know how to be more proactive online, make sure to check our free productivity resources below and also sign up for our free productivity newsletter. But now let's see how to make a folder in Google Drive. So go to Google Drive and log in. On the left hand side, click the plus new button. From the drop down menu, select folder and enter a name for your folder in the pop-up window. Click Create and drag and drop files into the new folder to organize your Google Drive. And that's it, alright. So all in all, this is how to make a folder in Google Drive. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Make sure to check out our AI productivity prompt database that you can download for free and which contains over 1,100 plus AI prompts that can help you to improve your personal and work productivity. Also, we have a free weekly productivity newsletter that you can sign up for below. And last but not least, if this tutorial was not up to date, make sure to check our more detailed and updated tutorial blog post, which you can also find in the video description below.